Good morning, guys. Currently in the car, about to head to the gym. It's currently 5:20 a.m. before the pre-market's even pre-marketing, before we can even do anything. Gonna head to the gym, go run some calories. Let's keep going every single day. It's hard to wake up, but we gotta do it. Just like trading, it's hard to wake up at 6 a.m. But we have to do it, better ourselves. If we want a better version of ourselves. But let's keep going, guys. Let's keep pushing. Let's get better financially, physically, mentally, spiritually, and all around. Welcome to another day trading vlog, a day in my life of what it's like to be a part-time trader, soon to be a full-time millionaire, guys. That's what we're working on right now. A part-time 9-to-5 worker, as well as part-time trading, soon to be a full-time trader. That's what we're working on. But guys, today we got to be real careful. We're trying to trade today. I do want to enter some trades. It's Friday. We have 3-day weekend, so I do want to at least have some fun since I'm not going to be able to have fun on Monday, and I'm going to have Monday off. I do want to do something today. Unfortunately, the market's literally chopping around. There's nothing going on. We did have a speaker 5 minutes into the market, like I said on yesterday's video, which was real interesting. So the market is doing some weird stuff. It's not really going anywhere, but I will still catch some in and out scalps. And if I do catch anything, I'll live trade it for you guys like per usual. So we did hit the gym in the morning, and here we are trading. Only 7:07 a.m. and we still got about another hour and 30 minutes to trade, but still, guys, doesn't look like anything's gonna happen. Now, the news that we have today, there's no more news, guys. It's already all passed, so now the news is out the way, other than if the speaker is still speaking, I'm not too sure. But other than that, guys, we're just gonna keep trading, keep finding things that we can find, keep alerting the Discord if we do see something, which the only thing I do see is NVIDIA. I'm trying to catch NVIDIA on this small short-term pre-market trend, break to the upside, but it's real dangerous to take a trade like that, considering that the market's chopped up. Let's see what we can catch.
AMD was my first trade and I actually took an L on it. I tried to enter on this bullish engulfing above the 9 EMA, above the 165.2 support level, but as you can see, it was lagging here, fighting hard for its life, buyers and sellers. But I ultimately had to sell it at the bottom of this level. It touched that level. And guys, guess what happened right after? You wouldn't believe it. Ends up pumping right after I get out.
Today we got wrecked, absolutely wrecked, only down $38. Today we only took 2 trades, one on NVIDIA, one on AMD, but AMD was the L. I tried to take an AMD call off this bullish engulfing off the 9 EMA with a decent support level here, but then I got caught in that chop, and then it ended up actually pushing, and even right now it's still pushing up to the upside. So I'm not going to say if I would have held it, because today was a difficult day. It was a tough day, a lot of choppiness. SPY was going sideways, but so far $38 L, I'll take it. Barely up on this week. If you go back in all my videos throughout the week, you'll see that I'm barely up. At least I'm up on the week, but I'm barely up this week. I'm gonna head to work, and I probably won't show too much work vlog video. I'll just keep it strictly trading, most likely. Maybe 1 to 2 videos here and there, but let's get to it, guys.
Wow, that's crazy.
What's up, guys? So I just got back home from a couple errands, but guys, we have a 3-day weekend. Market's not open on Monday, unfortunately, so we will have 3 days off, no trading, but I will make some videos probably for TikTok, guys. Finally, fortunately for TikTok, they're gonna get some sauce from me. If you're not following me on TikTok, please follow it by Candlestick King, Candlestick_King. But anyways, guys, we took an L today. We traded AMD and NVIDIA, but the market was choppy, so it was a difficult day. We did take some dubs today. Hats off to you. Good job, bro. You did good. So if you made some gains today, you did good. Most traders stepped away from trading, and they actually took the 3 days off and called it 4-day weekend, because they know that taking trades like today on a day today was difficult. I'm only down $38 on the day, but it's really nothing. It's real light. And if you calculate all my gains from Monday through Friday, I'm barely green this week. But guys, we're still green. That's the thing that's really good. We're trying to be positive. But anyways, guys, it's a 3-day weekend. We're going to wrap it up. We're just going to update the Discord with next week's earning report. So we have nothing crazy going on as far as news coming this Tuesday and Wednesday, other than consumer sentiment at 7 a.m. per usual. And Wednesday, there's really no news until Thursday, which is GDP report. But guys, this next week is going to be a light week. I'm assuming not that much volume. I might be chopping around like how it was, especially because we're at around all-time highs. But we'll see what we can do next week. It's always a fresh day. It's always a new day every single day. Whenever I come to the market and sit down in this chair, I try to imagine that it's a fresh day, and today could change my life, to be honest. That's how I think about it. I think today could change my life. Today could be a different day than it was yesterday, and it could be a completely 280, 360, 180 degree, whatever you want to call it. I do believe that every day can be a different day, and it is a different day. There's no 2 days to me other than a weekend that are the same when it comes to really working on your craft. When it comes to really working on your craft and you're coming to the market trading every single day, there should be something that you're trying to work on every single day and that you're trying to fix every single day, because we all have flaws. We all have things that we need to work on. There's nothing that we're perfect at, or else we'd be making millions and you'd see me in that Lambo that you'd see me post Ferrari that you see me post that Corvette, but I don't. So realistically speaking, I have things that I need to fix in order to even be a complete person like myself. So in order for me to even get to where I need to go, guys, I have to fix all the things along the way. So every day when I sit in this seat and I come here, I imagine that today could be a day where I change my life. And so today I choose to trade A1 setups. So today I choose to trade a specific way, trade a specific amount of capital, because this day can change my life. And if I hit the A1 setup like I've been practicing, hold a runner, then just maybe I can have a couple 100% gain on a specific single trade and make a couple $1,000s. But anyways, guys, that's the wrap up for how I'm feeling this, how it is. And guys, let me know if you guys like when I talk more personal with you guys. I'm trying to keep it less about work and more about trading, more about talking to you guys, more about my thoughts, my ideas, what's going on. And overall, guys, I'm really trying to work hard on becoming a full-time, and when I say a full-time millionaire, it's because every day, when I say a full-time millionaire, what I really mean is working on something every single day. So for example, once I'm closing this down, I want to work on something else, you know, another business that I have, whether it's real estate, whether it's another online business, a full-time millionaire. That's what I mean by a full-time millionaire. And obviously, in order to get the full-time and the other half part, which is the millionaire, you got to have the million. So I'm working towards that every day. And overall, my whole goal with this series is to maybe this day 25 turns into day 1080, and on maybe day 2000 the life has changed. You see the difference, and I've shown you guys from day 1 all the way to day 1000 to day 2000 to day whenever it gets to the day that, which I know for a fact that they say even when you get there you don't feel like it's enough. And I'm not saying that it's really I'm working for money, but I'm working for myself because I do want to be free. I don't want to be working every day for somebody else. I want to do this and wake up and work for myself every day. So that's my goal, that's my dream, that's what we're working on every day. And I hope you guys have something that you guys are working on every single day, whether it's trading, whether it's a dream or a vision that you have, whether it's to open up a barbershop or maybe get a lot of clients for a specific online business that you have, or in person, doesn't matter. Whatever the case is, guys, we all need to work on something, because every day that you don't do something and you wake up and you don't do jack nothing, you feel a certain way. You feel like you failed the day, or that you didn't do too much things, or you wish you had more time to finish this, or you should have done that. But if you just wake up and you get to work or get to doing it, or I'm not even gonna lie with you guys, sometimes I do wait an hour or two before I actually get started on something on the weekend. So that's something I need to work on myself. It's just waking up and going straight to the computer and working on my craft, working on what I need to get done, stuff like that, guys. So there's something that you need to work on every day, because when you don't do something, you feel like crap. But when you do get stuff done, you feel good. Even though you spend hours on it, and currently it's 5 p.m. and I've been out since 2 p.m., it's just what you gotta do. Have a good weekend, guys.